is any accelerant, it will evaporate and get into 1/3 of the empty space on top. But we want that. We want it to evaporate because this headspace is actually sampled. We want to get that information. If there is accelerant, the headspace will have it, and we are going to get it from the headspace. We want to have 1/3 of the top empty, giving you a headspace there that can be analyzed. What's done is, again, we have these paint cans that have the debris or the ash or whatever it is. We heat them, and the hydrocarbons, that if there were any from the accelerant, they'll evaporate, they'll fill the headspace. We can actually suck out, using a syringe, we can insert it and suck it out, remove some of this air, and I guess close it up if we want to do another sample, and we put this in a gas chromatograph. We've seen these before. It's, again, in case you don't remember, it's the gas chromatography is when we put a gas through a tube or a column. Some gases will stick to the tube more than others. By the way they stick to the tube, we know what the gas is. There's another method called vapor concentration. That's where instead of just sucking the air out of the headspace of the can, we put charcoal. We put activated charcoal, which absorbs a lot of stuff in the air. In fact, it was at first, it was actually used in gas masks. People have breathed through the activated charcoal. It's basically clean charcoal, usually from animal sources. But anyway, it's very porous, and stuff in the air will get stuck to the activated charcoal, the pores in the activated charcoal, and the poisonous part of the air will simply not get to the person who's breathing it. Anyway, they were actually used for gas masks at first. But anyway, we used activated charcoal. It absorbs a lot of stuff in the air, hydrocarbons in the air. So we put that in the headspace of the container. We heat the container, and the gases will get into the heat. Will get into the headspace, but it will concentrate itself in the activated charcoal. We then take the charcoal out. We wash it with carbon disulfide, which soaks up all these hydrocarbons, evaporate, and we send this CS2 or evaporated. It will go through a gas we will use gas chromatography on it, and we will be able to separate any accelerants that are there.